You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 60,835 over 534. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 115 plus x. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 60,835 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 534. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals negative 60,835 over 534.